Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you want to watch exclusive Patreon videos on your big screen, whether it's a podcast, a behind the scenes vlog, or early access content, here's how to do this. So firstly guys, you need to make sure that the creator's video is hosted on a platform that supports casting, like YouTube, Vimeo, or even embedded video players with casting features. Patreon itself doesn't stream video natively, it embeds from these services. Open the Patreon post on your phone, tap full screen on the video, and use AirPlay on iPhone or Cast/Smart View on Android to mirror your screen to the TV. This works with smart TVs, Apple TVs, Chromecast, and Fire Stick. If the creator uploaded the video to YouTube or Vimeo privately, open that link from your Patreon post, then cast the video directly using the YouTube or Vimeo app on your TV or smartphone. You can also use this on the HDMI through the HDMI cable on laptop. So you just connect it to your TV using the HDMI cable for reliable no-lag viewing experience. And that's it. You can now enjoy your favorite Patreon content on your TV, just like Netflix. So if this video was helpful, enjoy this tech tip, follow for more guides. See you very soon.